Exercise is often touted for its numerous health benefits, from improving physical fitness to enhancing mental well-being. The feeling of euphoria, often referred to as the runner's high, is a well-documented phenomenon experienced by many after physical activity. But what exactly causes this uplifting sensation? Let's delve into the science behind why exercise makes you feel good, exploring various physiological, biochemical, and psychological factors that contribute to this phenomenon. 1. Release of endorphins. One of the primary reasons exercise boosts mood is the release of endorphins. These are neurotransmitters produced by the body in response to pain, stress, and physical exertion. Endorphins interact with the brain's receptors to reduce the perception of pain and induce feelings of euphoria. Research indicates that even moderate intensity exercise can elevate endorphin levels. A study published in the journal Neuroscience Letters found that participants who engaged in aerobic exercise experienced a significant increase in endorphin release, correlating with improved mood and reduced stress levels. This natural painkiller also helps alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression, reinforcing the positive association between exercise and mental health. 2. Dopamine and serotonin, the happiness chemicals. Exercise not only stimulates the release of endorphins, but also promotes the production of other important neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good hormone, playing a key role in the brain's reward system. Physical activity increases dopamine levels, enhancing feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. Serotonin, another neurotransmitter, is crucial for regulating mood, anxiety, and happiness. Studies have shown that exercise can significantly elevate serotonin levels, helping combat symptoms of depression and anxiety. A review published in Frontiers in Psychiatry suggests that regular physical activity can serve as an effective treatment for depression due to its ability to improve serotonin availability in the brain. 3. Improved sleep quality. Exercise can also contribute to improved sleep quality, which is closely linked to mood regulation. Regular physical activity has been shown to help individuals fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep cycles. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that participants who engaged in regular aerobic exercise experienced significant improvements in sleep quality and duration compared to those who did not exercise. Better sleep can lead to enhanced cognitive function, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. When individuals get sufficient rest, they are better equipped to handle stress and face daily challenges, which further contributes to an improved mood. 4. Reduced stress and anxiety levels. Exercise is a powerful tool for stress management. Engaging in physical activity can lower levels of the body's stress hormones, such as cortisol. A study published in Psychosomatic Medicine found that individuals who engaged in regular exercise exhibited lower cortisol levels and improved psychological well-being. Moreover, exercise encourages the release of neurotransmitters that act as natural stress relievers. This can lead to a decreased perception of stress and an increased ability to cope with everyday challenges. Activities like yoga and mindfulness-based exercises have also been shown to effectively reduce anxiety levels, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. 5. Social interaction and support. Participating in group exercises or team sports offers social benefits that contribute to improved mental health. Social interaction is a key factor in enhancing feelings of well-being. Engaging in physical activities with others fosters a sense of community, belonging, and support. Research published in Social Science and Medicine indicates that socializing during exercise not only improves mood, but also increases adherence to physical activity, as individuals are more likely to continue exercising if they enjoy it with friends or peers. The social connections formed through group activities can provide emotional support and motivation, leading to greater overall satisfaction and happiness. 6. Mindfulness and body awareness. exercise can promote mindfulness and greater awareness of one's body, which is beneficial for mental health. Many forms of exercise, such as yoga and Pilates, emphasize being present in the moment and tuning into bodily sensations. This mindfulness practice can lead to improved emotional regulation and stress reduction. A study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that mindfulness during physical activity can enhance overall well-being and increase feelings of happiness. By focusing on the body's movements and sensations, individuals can cultivate a greater appreciation for their physical capabilities, fostering a positive self-image and improving mental health. 7. Long-term benefits of regular exercise. While the immediate effects of exercise on mood are significant, the long-term benefits are equally important. Regular physical activity has been linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. These health improvements can lead to a greater sense of well-being and confidence. Additionally, maintaining an active lifestyle can help establish routine and structure, contributing to improved mental health outcomes. A study in health psychology found that individuals who engage in regular exercise are less likely to experience anxiety and depression compared to sedentary individuals. The commitment to regular physical activity can foster a sense of accomplishment and purpose, enhancing overall life satisfaction. 8. Exercise as a coping mechanism. Many people turn to exercise as a coping mechanism for dealing with life's challenges. Physical activity can serve as a productive outlet for stress, anger, and frustration. Instead of resorting to unhealthy coping strategies, such as overeating or substance abuse, individuals can channel their energy into exercise. Research indicates that individuals who use exercise as a coping strategy tend to experience improved mental health outcomes. A study published in Behavior Research and Therapy found that exercise can be an effective form of self-care, promoting emotional resilience and helping individuals manage stress more effectively. The science behind why exercise makes you feel good is multifaceted, involving complex interactions between neurotransmitters, hormones, and social dynamics. The release of endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin plays a crucial role in enhancing mood and reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. Furthermore, the social aspects of exercise, improved sleep quality, and the development of mindfulness contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can have profound effects on your mental health, leading to a happier, healthier life. Whether you enjoy running, dancing, swimming, or practicing yoga, finding an exercise that you love can unlock the many psychological benefits of movement. So lace up those sneakers, grab a friend, and get moving. The science backs you up.